Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Good to see you all again. So, how are you all? We are fine. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. Now, for example, you said we are fine. What is we are fine? It's a statement. That's what we learned in the morning, right? So, we are fine. So, today is what is the day today? Today is Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday. So, automatically that is a statement. What is tomorrow? Tomorrow is Thursday. Tomorrow is Thursday. That's a statement. We use number of statements actually to state something. There is no need to we no need to learn any tenses. That's the familiarity. To use frames, no need to learn any grammar, and as well as no need to learn any grammar to state statements also, to give or to frame statements. That is very easier. But of course, we do face problems when we frame the sentences. Why do we face problems? Is we do not know the tenses properly. Do you understand? So let us learn the tenses. And as I said, a sentence is a group of words which starts with subject and ends with a full stop. Of course, statement is also the same, the general definition. Okay, but to learn that particular sentences, I already said statements we use to frame statements we use be forms, but to frame sentences we use helping verbs. So, how many helping verbs we do have? Let us discuss. I call this topic as hub of helping verbs. What is that? Hub of yes, hub of helping. Okay, wait. Hub of helping verbs. Okay. What is this hub? Generally, what is meant by hub actually? Do you know? Yes, exactly. As ma'am said, it's a group. It's a place where you can find. For example, we have Bangalore. Bangalore is called as IT hub. What is that? IT hub, where you can find all IT companies over there. If you just want to see, like if you want to buy flowers, we can buy them in flower market. So it's a hub of flowers actually. Okay. So hub means the place where you can find all. So according to you, how many helping verbs are there generally? Many? Are they uncountable? For example, how many B forms are there? Totally six. 3, 2, 1. 6 and plus 2. Semi vowels like semi statement or semi B forms. So there are have and has had. So totally 6 plus 3, 9. Okay. Will have not taking because will be takes the place and it does the work. Likewise. So how many helping verbs are there? In general, if you type in YouTube or no, internet, there will be 24. But according to me, according to you, for you, I generally classified B form separately, modal verb separately, and helping verbs, which we generally use in only the tenses. Is it clear? So let us see. To know those things, happily, if you just how many tenses are there? Let us see how many helping verbs are there. Are you ready? Here I go. Present. Okay. Yeah. What do you have next? Past and the future. Hmm. Next, we do have simple. It means simple present tense. Next, we have continuous. Next, perfect, and we have perfect continuous. Correct. So there are totally how many? 12 tenses. Correct. Okay. Yeah. So now helping verbs, right? Definitely each tense should have one helping verb. I already told you tense is changed not because of the verb. Generally, we are in the world like V1 is one tense, V2 is one tense, V1 is present tense, V2 is simple past tense or something, V3 is. No, it's not like. Generally, a helping verb changes the tense. For example, I told you already, I am teaching now. I was teaching yesterday. I will be teaching tomorrow. Here, teaching is same, right? But what I'm changing actually, helping. I am means present continuous tense. I was means past continuous tense. I will be means future continuous tense, right? The same manner, I have done my homework. I had done my homework. I will have done my homework. Here also, done is done. But what is no? What you can understand? What do you understand? Here I am changing the helping verb called have, had, will have. It change the tenses, right? Now let us come to simple tenses. In simple tense, it is what do you call it is invisible, like the helping verb is invisible. How? For example, I teach English. It means the helping verb is do. I do teach English. In the same manner, do becomes the did actually. So I did teach English. It means I taught English. I do, I did, I will teach English. Here it is visible, no issues. So what I'm telling, in a negative, you will find easily. I don't teach English. Do not. Simple present tense. I didn't teach English. Didn't. Simple past tense. I won't teaching. I won't teach English. Simple future. So do, did, will are changing, right? I don't teach. I didn't teach. I will. I won't teach. Teach. So verb generally is not changing the tenses. Of course, every verb it comes along with proper no. It's respective helping verb. For example, you can't say like I have went. Can we say I have gone? Okay, so these helping verbs are merged with associated uh, what do you call helping verbs with verb forms. Okay, V1 we should use in only simple tenses. V2 we use for only in the simple past tense. V3 generally we use for only perfect tenses. Do you understand? And V4 we use for all the continuous tenses as well as perfect continuous tense. Okay, in terms of words I'm telling, let us see how it is. Okay, are you ready? So simple present tense, I hope you understood. The helping verbs changes the tenses. Helping verbs change the tense. Is it clear? And let us see what are the helping verbs we have in English. Do and does we use in simple present tense. Am I correct? Yeah, simple present tense. Do and does. So as it is do and does, in the past, it should become or it becomes did. Am I correct or not? Yes. So we know simple. Sorry, future means will. Remember, future means will. No shall. Shall I am considering it as a modal verb. Future means you remember only will. To tell about any future actions, let us use will. Nothing else. Okay, done. Future means will. Now, continuous tense means what do we have? Am, is, are. Of course, these are be forms as well. Because to talk about continuous tenses also, we use be forms. So, am, is, are. So, as it is am, is, are, it would become was and were. Okay, anyhow, I'm using capitals. Was and were. Okay. In future means will. Generally, future we indicate with will, and these are be forms. That's the reason we keep will be. Future continuous tense. Okay, this is future. This is continuity. Okay. Yes. So next we do have perfect tenses. What do we have? If there is no way, find another. Right? Yes. What is the next tense? Perfect. So, what are the helping verbs do we use in perfect tenses? Have and has. So, as they are present, have and has. Automatically in the past, had. Okay. If you know one automatically remaining, you can. Okay. Future means will. Future means, so perfect means have. Will have. That's all. Okay. Will has. Do we have will has also? No. Because we have only will for singular and plural. So will have. That's all. Will takes the place for singular and plural as well. Okay. Nice. So next we do have perfect continuous tense. Perfect continuous tense. So perfect means have. Continuity be. So let us go with been. Okay. Future, sorry. For singular, has been. Have been and has been. So automatically this will become had been. So this future means will. Future means will. Perfect means have. Continuous means been. These are the helping verbs which we have. How many are there? Count. 12 times is 12 plus 5 singulars. So 17. 1 is extra, that is yam. So totally 18. Entirely 18, but totally 20. If you consider this B and bean separately, totally 20. Totally 20. Entirely 18. Generally to remember, I'm just going with a rhyming called 18 are there entirely, but totally, completely, totally, there are 20 helping verbs. What is can sir? What is shall sir? What is may sir? What is, those are modal verbs. Is it clear? Modal verbs we use to frame obligations, to talk about obligations, not the tenses. Is it clear? So, of course, we are going to learn those in the next sessions. Now, these are okay. These are helping verbs actually. So, according to me, it changes the tense. It changes the tense. But when does a tense existed? When does tense existed generally, according to me? When an action takes place. So there should be action called verb or work. If any work happens only, it should be done either present or past or future. So now these are the help mode. Tense we have. Let us take the work verb also. Which form should we use for the particular verb? Go action is there. In simple sentence, should I use go or went or gone or going? Likewise. Okay. So in general, we have names, but for me, V1, V2, V3, V4 are go, went, gone, going. So if I am telling V1, it is go. V2 means went. V3 gone. V4 going, because we have different names for that. V1 is completely V1 wherever you go same, because that is the original form of verbs. Okay, that form means changing, formation. Go becomes went. It's a formation. When will it become actually? Did plus go went. Formation. Pure form is go only. It gets changed or it forms, it is formed as went because of did in it. Okay, I did some going action, so I say I did go. It means I went. Form is changing only. Okay, go plus ing, going. And in perfect tense, gone. Okay, right. So do and does generally we use V1. I do come, I do go. Am I correct or not? Here also did plus V1 only, V2. What is that? Did plus V1 only, V. It's so special actually. V2. What is that? V2. Only in simple past tense we can find the V2 form. Nowhere. And of course, it would be available in all the tenses as a phrase. As a phrase, not as a main tense, as subordinate tense they call, like, phrase like, for example, when I entered the room, V2, the cat was coming out. It means the main sentence is the cat was coming out. But I used a phrase called when I entered the room, an incomplete sentence. So likewise, the train had left the station before I reached, they say. Before I reached. The train had left the station is the main tense. And that, before I reached is the phrase I'm telling, an incomplete sentence. There you will find again V2. All past tenses will have that past form, but main tense is different. That is just when the situation, okay, we generally compare with that situation and we say, I had worked in other company before I joined here. I had worked in other company before I joined here. So again you will find that V2. So all the past tenses will have that form called V2. That's the reason I call it as past form. Which form? Past form. Not only past continuous, simple past form. No, it's completely a past form which we use in simple past. Name also simple past form. Tense also simple past tense. Because why it is called as, in the sense we use in the simple past only, the simple past form, nowhere else. Infinitive form you will find here, you will find in obligations, you should come, you must come, like that. But this form you can't, or we never ever use in any other tenses. It is exclusively for the simple past and the past tenses. You understand? Yes. So V1, V1. So did plus V1, that means if it is go, do plus go, go. Did plus go, went. I did go, I can say I went. Okay. I did play, so I can say I played. I did watch, I can say I watched. I did speak, I can say I spoke. I did draw, so I can say I drew. I did fly, so I can say I flew. Do you understand? I did say, so I said. I did tell, I told. I did call, I called. Is it clear? Because the form is changed, V1 into V2. That's all. So here we already know V1. I will come, I will go, I will play. But students, they are confused. Generally, here V1, next V2, what do they say? V3. We have one example for that also. Come, came, come. So they feel like come is V3, right? So that's the reason we should. That's the reason many of English speakers or students are using V3 for. He'll gone. He'll gone. No problem. He'll gone. As I said, if you use that, he will be gone in the sense that is passive voice. Actually, he will be gone. Over. So he will go, he will come, he will play. We should not use V3 actually. So because of come, they are confused. Let us not get confused. That is V1 only. What is that? V1. I will come, I will go, I will play. She will come, she will play, she will go. Can we use goes actually? She will goes. No. Because of does, that is goes. In will, already helping verb is there. So no need to change anything. She will go, she will play, she will come, she will say, she will tell, she will do. That's it. Is it clear? So if you observe all the simple tenses, we have V1. Remember. Okay, it means that is go only. That is go. So all the tenses. It becomes went here. It becomes except here, that is go. For example, I do go. It means I go. Here it becomes goes. Third person singular. Do you understand? I go, she goes to the market. Or I do go, she does go. Does plus go, she goes to the market. She goes to temple. Likewise. Next. Here, direct. I will come, I will go. Is it clear? Any confusion? No. So just remember, in all the simple tenses we use V1. I repeat, in all the simple tenses, we use V1. And of course, that V1 becomes, go becomes goes, play becomes plays, only for he, she, it. Generally, we call them as third person singular. I call them as singular subjects. Singular subject. I is always plural, not always, many of the times, except in past continuous tense. Remaining all the time, we use I as plural. I have, we say, I do, we say, I have been, we say, right? Likewise. So, over. Here, continuous tense means we know. No confusion. Simply Happily we can write all the continuous tense. All be forms are good friends for ing forms. What is that? Before. I am going, she is going, they are going, okay, they are playing. So happily we can write we for here. What happened? New color has come. Okay, will be confused. No, let us keep issues. So what is that? V4. V4 means what? So go will become going. Outside V1 plus ing, that is called to V4. No need actually. V4 itself a complete form actually. Many people, here I'm telling like, V1 plus V1, I mean, does plus V1. Of course, in other books and it is available as V5, goes as V5 in internet also. No need actually. F for forms, H for have, S for helping verbs. Okay, four forms only. Go, went, gone, going. This third person singular comes because of does. It is not complete a new form. Do you understand? It's not a new form according to me. Four forms. That's it. That's enough to remember happily. So only third person singular. He comes, she goes. The sun rises in the east. It means. Why means? It does mean. So question: what does it mean? It means it consists of. It contains. Why are we using that contains? It does plus contain. It contains. So if it doesn't contain,